Today we will be testing a 15-minute crypto trading strategy. Before we do, if you have not watched the first videos on the channel and the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. You can find a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. If you use that link, you'll save a little bit of money on your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. If you are interested in a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested along with their win rates, you can sign up for our Patreon. And you will receive a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested. You can find a link to our Patreon down below in the description. We also have a Patreon-only exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators, a list of winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a 15-minute crypto trading strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 117 different strategies, with 36 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 84% win rate. That is the Academy of Forex strategy with the Z-score probability indicator. I will put a thumbnail of that video up on screen right now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video. That way you can go straight there and watch that video on the best strategy that we have tested so far. We've also tested a total of 993 indicators, with 419 of them being winners. Now, keep in mind that we test most of these indicators and strategies on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today we are looking at a 15-minute crypto trading strategy. The source video claims that this free, powerful TradingView indicator gives perfect signals. And so, obviously we are going to put that to the test. And we know, it's kind of subjective as to say perfect signals. Some would assume that means that they're implying that it is completely accurate. Nonetheless, we know that no strategy, no indicator is 100% accurate, and so giving perfect signals is probably not what this indicator or strategy does. But nonetheless, we'll take a look at it. And so the testing was on the Bitcoin versus USDT on the 15-minute time frame. For some reason, these source videos just absolutely love this currency, this cryptocurrency, and this time frame. So at some point, we might try to get away from this time frame and cryptocurrency just to see what else we can get on other crypto coins and other markets. Okay, so to the strategy here. So let's go ahead and we'll hide these like we normally do. The first indicator that you are going to put on screen is going to be the SSL channel by Miss Tricky right here. So you'll add that to the screen and it will look like this right here. And so basically you have the channel here that is giving you buy and sell signals. And it is basically just tracking the overall trend of the market. And the next indicator you are going to put on screen is going to be the NSDT Hammer Candles indicator. We've looked at this one a couple times before, and it looks like this right here. And so on the SSL channel, I don't believe any of the settings were changed on it. If I remember right, you just double check all these, go through yours, make sure they're all set the same, and the style I believe is all on as default as well. The hammer candles, I believe the same thing. I believe all the inputs, you can check these here, and you can check the standard inputs right here, but I believe all these were the, maybe we changed this one. I can't remember off the top of my head what it was on default versus what we may have changed. So just double check that all of yours matches this right here. Okay, so the setup that we're looking for is When we get a buy signal from the SSL channel, we are looking for the hammer candles to give us a green candle like this, a vibrant green candle. We are looking for, it's kind of hard to see, we are looking for the hammer candle trend line or moving average to also be green, and we are looking for green hammer candles. I know, again, it's kind of hard to see, but you see these candles right here trailing the price action. Those are the hammer candles, and you can see here it's a little bit difficult, but you can see the green hammer candle right there behind the buy tag. So this lines up for a long trade right there, and you're going to set your long trade. You are going to put your stop right below the hammer candle moving average, or you can do right below the buy signal, whichever works for you. I did the moving average, and you're going to target a 1 to 2 risk reward like so. Let's go ahead and play this forward to see what happens. All right, so you can see there, get a little bit of choppiness, but eventually make a nice push to the upside there, getting us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and look at a short trade. Okay, so for a short trade, we are looking for a sell signal from the SSL channel. We get that right here. And of course, the SSL channel is in the red position because of that sell signal. Kind of goes without saying. The hammer candle indicator, we get the nice vibrant red candle there. We get the moving average in red, and the hammer candle itself is also red. You can see right there just poking up behind that sell signal. So that will give us all the criteria that we need for the short signal, the short trade. We're going to set our stop again just right at the moving average, the hammer candle moving average. We are going to target that 1 to 2 risk reward right about there. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see what we get. All right, so not quite as an abrupt move as we got out of the buy signal. Kind of just ran into some chop and consolidation here for a minute, but then eventually we make that push to the downside, which got us to our take profit. All right, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are looking for a profitable trading strategy, I highly suggest you check out the best strategy that we have tested on the channel here. It was able to achieve an 84% win rate. I'll put a screenshot up of the thumbnail to that video right now. I'll link to it up in the corner, and I'll also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Like I said, it is a highly profitable trading strategy, was able to achieve an 84% win rate. It uses one of our custom indicators that we've developed here on the channel, as well as a Tradingview indicator, and all around it is a wonderful trading strategy. I highly recommend you check that out. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. All right, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 21 winning trades and 29 losing trades, putting us at a 42% win rate. And like we often do, it seems like we had the 1 to 2 risk reward, putting things in our favor, a decent little amount. And so let's say you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade and lose $300 per losing trade. Your total gain on the winning side would have been $12,600, and your total losing side would have been $8,700, for a total gain altogether of $3,900, just shy of $4,000. Not too bad of a little strategy there. Now, compare that to the Academy of Forex strategy that I've mentioned a few times before already in this video. We got 76 trades within that same period of time, and we got 67 winning trades and 9 losing trades, putting us at an 88% win rate. And we are using the tweaks that I mentioned that I employed in one of the recent videos that I did, the small tweaks that made a significant difference, a pretty decent little bump in the win rate, bumping us up from around the 80% up to 88%. And so let's say we were looking to risk and gain the same monetary value as the other strategy. The total gain would have been $40,200 on the winning side, losing side $7,020 for a total gain of $33,180. So quite a significant difference in the total profits that you would have gained risking and gaining the same amount of money during the same period of time. And so obviously a significantly better strategy than the one above. Now that's not to say that the one above isn't, or this one here isn't a good strategy, because I do feel like it is a decent little strategy. Most definitely. This one is more of a trend trading strategy, and the Academy of Forex Strategy is more of a reversal trading strategy. And so the tips and tricks I put in the strategy guide that I give out to all the patrons, along with a list of videos of testing and all kinds of goodies that you can help to optimize the strategy. And if you are interested in the Academy of Forex Indicator, you can get a 7-day free trial. Just sign up for our Patreon down below and you will be sent information on how to access the indicator. So that's it for this video here. This strategy is going to go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next video from here.